Hi, I'm Angus. It's my honor to introduce our own factory product, the electric four-wheels car. Yeah, this one is like a mini car, yeah, so cute car. And on the head, there is a light and the single light. And the most important is our mini home product. Yeah, it's our brand, our own brand. In the middle, there is a luggage holder. You can carry more something to here. And this one is a door lock. Yeah, just push here and open. And sit here. This is the driver seat. This one can be adjusted. Yeah, you see. And here is a mini fan. Yeah, when for summer we can use it. Can help you cooler. And this one is very important. Is when push is go, and then is stop, and then is back. Yeah, it's very important. And this one is a video. Yeah, you can learn, listen to some music. Yeah. And this is about speed, and this is the camera. When you back, there are the more picture to see when you banking. And this is like the wiper, yeah, when raining. And this one is singular. Yeah. This is light when dark. Okay. Okay. Off all. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Lock the door. Okay, let's go. In our future.